How to use cashback on TikTok. Using cashback on TikTok involves leveraging two primary programs, the TikTok Rewards program and the Bonus Cashback program. The TikTok Rewards program allows users to earn rewards by referring friends and completing specific tasks. To participate, open the TikTok app, navigate to your profile, look for the coin icon in the upper left corner, and tap it. Share your unique referral link or invitation code with friends. When they sign up using your referral, both of you earn rewards. The Bonus Cashback program is designed to encourage repeat purchases on TikTok Shop by offering cashback incentives. First, shop on TikTok. Browse products through videos, live streams, or showcase tab. Look for items offering bonus cashback vouchers. Make a purchase. Apply the desired product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Apply any available bonus cashback vouchers during the payment process. And earn cashback. After completing the purchase, the cashback amount will be credited to your account, which can be used for future purchases. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.